Hi guys, welcome to yet another amazing video. Today we're going to be making these delicious masala fries. So let's get cooking. So guys, our ingredients for today, there are so many, but we have some potatoes. I've already cut them into fries. Then we have onions and some dhania, some pre-boiled goat meat. You can use pork, you can use beef. It's your choice. Then we have some beef cubes, some tea masala. This will give your fries amazing flavor, so do not skip on that. Curry powder, then tomato paste, tomato sauce, ketchup, paprika, and some soy sauce, and of course some oil to deep fry this, and then we'll make the fries. So let's get started, guys. Our oil has been heating up, so we'll put in the fries so that we start. So let's just deep fry those until they're crunchy and crispy according to how you like it, and then we'll start the process of making the masala chips. So guys, after you're done frying your fries you're deep frying your fries, now you start to make the sauce that you're going to mix the fries in. Start by frying your onions until they have softened, and then you start adding your spices and the sauces. When your onions start to brown, go in with your beef cubes. Then just stir that in very well. Let it cook for a few seconds. Then after your beef cubes, you now go in with your boiled goat meat or your boiled beef or pork. Just stir that for a minute and let it cook down kidogo, and let also the beef cubes cook down a bit. So at this point, guys, just note that you're cooking this on very low heat so that your food does not burn. So we'll start adding our spices. I'll start with the tea masala. Go in with the tea masala. Then I'll add my curry powder. Then we're going to add paprika. Just stir all of that in. Then add your tomato sauce. Be generous, don't be afraid. Tomato sauce. Then some tomato paste. Then a little bit of ketchup. Then lastly, the soy sauce. So you'll go ahead and stir all that in like that. Looks so good. Then now you'll put in your fries. Make sure you're cooking on very low heat because it's so easy to burn all these things. So just mix that all up together nicely. Good. Okay. Mix that all in well. Look at that. It looks so good, right? I know. And I promise you it tastes amazing. Then finally, add in your dhania just to garnish it a bit like that. And yeah, your fries are done. So easy, so tasty. No need to be having boring fries when you can make this at home. Yes, so we're done, guys. Look, looks amazing, eh? Yeah, just like that, and a little bit, we're done. So that's it for today, guys. I forgot to say, if you have chili sauce, just go ahead and add. I didn't because I have a 2-year-old. Also, please subscribe to my channel. Please share this video. Comment down below what more you'd like me to see it doing. And I'll be doing whatever you guys request. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.